To add a product to a page in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Click on the Add Product button to create a new product. Enter the product title, description, and other relevant details such as price, weight, and vendor. Upload high-quality product images to showcase your product from different angles. Make sure the images are clear and well lit to give customers a good understanding of the product. Next, set up the product's inventory and shipping options. Determine whether the product is physical or digital, and set the shipping weight and dimensions accordingly. You can also set up inventory tracking to keep track of stock levels. Now, organize your product by adding it to a collection. Collections are groups of related products that can be displayed together on your storefront. You can create a new collection or add the product to an existing one. To add the product to a page, navigate to the Pages section and click on the page where you want to add the product. Click on the Add Section button and select the Product section. Choose the product you want to add and customize the section settings as needed. Finally, click Save to publish the changes to your storefront. Your product is now live and customers can view and purchase it. Make sure to test the product page to ensure everything is working as expected and make any necessary adjustments.